your AI companion can do. So what happens next? So how this works is that we actually share with you these details that we've discussed, and you say, yes, you're ready to go and get your AI companion. We then send you through all the details, the pricing details, and you actually then confirm your desire to proceed. That happens, you make your payment, and the person in touch with you, the sales advisor, will then talk you through the next steps. But basically, the moment you confirm, within 7 working days, you get a physical MAXX device, which is this tablet here, delivered to you. It's all set up and customized, and all you need to do is add your Wi-Fi to it, and it'll be ready to go straight away. Over the next week, it gets customized. So for example, if you have a client list that you want to put in there, or if you have a glossary of frequently used terms, or if you have documents, you have 50 documents that deal with stuff related to your business and you want to put it in there. Whatever you want to customize the MAXX brain and what you want it to know goes in there. So day 7, you get your device. We give you a couple of days to warm up and chat with it, which you can. From then onwards, you can start the customization process. We'll help you, or we'll show you how. And then you're up and running, and that's done. So, and for those clients who are looking to integrate, we don't recommend any integration with your CRM. It's just complicated. MAXX is a standalone AI partner for you. It's not for your systems. And you know, any integration can be done. There's a cost. Integration starts at $5,000 and then goes up to $50,000. But my view and our view as a company is very straightforward, and clients everywhere. There are clients in the UK. I'm now in the London office, clients in the US, clients in the Middle East, in Dubai. All of them find that they might think about AI as needing to be integrated. But when you have a device that can do it all, you don't need the integration. You only need it to be smart enough to have whatever information it needs in its brain. So once it knows you, knows your business, put in the information, then you're all set. So that's all you need to do. So once you go ahead, 7 days, the device shows up. Another couple of days, you get used to it and you get comfortable. It then starts learning, and we help you add to its brain, and then you're fully up and running. For those of you who are looking to do large format telemarketing campaigns, you know, rather than have a separate AI agent for telecalling, it's very simple. It takes 30 days, and you can set up a telecalling account. We'll help you do that with MAXX. So you can put in, say, 100 numbers and brief MAXX. Say, MAXX, I need to do a telecalling campaign to promote my special, summer offer. And this is what the offer is. Can you draft an offer for me? So MAXX will draft it out. It'll email it to you. You'll approve it. And then you'll say, great. Now, MAXX, write a script and do a telecalling campaign to my 100 clients who I've uploaded to you. Call them all, have a chat, call them by name, tell them about what this offer is, and then give me the feedback of those you speak to for more than 2 minutes, or those they say they're interested, or they want to speak to someone, and let me know. And MAXX will then do all of this and come back to you, and that takes 30 days to set up after you're up and running, because that involves a setting up of a telecalling account, because the calling is from a number that belongs to you. For privacy and security reasons, we don't recommend sharing numbers or using our numbers. All of this data and information belongs absolutely to you and stays in there. So that's it. You set up, you sign up, you set up. 7 days you physically get the device, it lands up there, you connect it with your Wi-Fi, you're off and running, it starts learning. Within 1 week we put in the customized information for you, and then you're off. So my view would be that you should plan for 1 month for what I call learning MAXX Speak, which is talking to MAXX in the optimal way. We'll give you inputs and suggestions on how best to do that. And then the lead time, it's like learning anything, learning how to drive or learning how to play a sport. It takes a little bit of while before you get really good at it. The thing with MAXX is that 4 weeks and you're a wizard. So that's how you should think about this. And then continually, the questions we get in terms of improvements. So MAXX's brain and capability gets continually improved. You don't need to do anything. It's all in the cloud. So if there's some new capability or new intelligence or new AI that gets factored into MAXX, that goes in straight away. You need to do nothing. It happens automatically. And if there's ever a problem with your device for the first year, we'll obviously repair, replace. There's no problem. We can do that for you. Last question we often get is around security. How secure is my content and my database? So each user has a MAXX code. MAXX code is the equivalent of a password. You must never give that MAXX code to someone else. We don't want your competitors getting hold of it. But as soon as you use a MAXX code, it goes into a service that is managed in the Amazon cloud. So the security of Amazon Web Services applies to all your data. It goes in the cloud and it is firewalled as your data. No one else can access it. we can't access it as well. Only you can. So your data is secure. If you're a company and an organization looking to have large number of deployment and you want it in your cloud or within your database or installed in your office, like I said, there's no problem. We can do what is called a specific instance of MAXX for your organization, and we can have it running there as well. So just to give you a background and comfort around the security of data, once it's in the cloud, it's protected by the firewalls of Amazon Web Services, accessible to you through your MAXX code, and that's the only way sort of you can be sure that no one else can access the information that you have. And we would never access it without your consent. If you needed some help with something, that's a different matter. But that just covers off the security angle of how MAXX actually works. So yeah, so that's all there is to it. So if you've decided that you want to have MAXX in your life as your AI companion for business growth, all you have to do is confirm, make your payment, and within 7 days, your device will arrive. And within 14 days, you'll be up and running and using MAXX just the way that all of us are. So I look forward to having you on board.